With superior cutting, gripping, pulling, and twisting power, the Handyman Power Jaw Mini Bolt Cutter makes your work easier and faster. Thanks to this tool's spring-loaded, high-leverage design, you are guaranteed to get smooth lever action, no friction, and a 60% reduction in hand force, which will allow you to complete any cutting task with ease. The 58 HRC hardened jaws and cutting knives provide superior cutting performance and longevity. The cutting force is 20 times greater than the hand force applied, and it makes for easy work of cutting nails, electrical wire, fish hooks, and even wire cable. The perfect hand cutting tool for automotive, construction, industrial, trucking, power generation, mining and aggregate, healthcare, educational, hunting and fishing industries. Give your hard-working hands a break and contact your Momar Handyman sales team member to order yours today.